Hey, there we go. The Insta360 is on. And yeah, let's get this up in the air here. Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple, and we're living in a wonderful winter wonderland. Look at all this snow around here. Son Kyler just pulled into the driveway, and he was up doing a few tracks up there on Big White and said the powder is amazing. Hey, we're gonna be working, not skiing or boarding this afternoon. And we've got the snowblower mounted, and I threw a GoPro up there. We've got a camera back there. We're gonna lay down some footage, but it's going to be more than GoPro footage. Hey, if you notice something new in the background, that little white standpipe there with a camera poking out of the top of it, some of you will recognize that as an Insta360, that camera that shoots 360 degrees. And I've got it on a long selfie stick, a 3-meter selfie stick. And the reason I'm not just videoing with it, and I'll get the technical stuff out of the way right at the front, and then you can just kick back and enjoy a little snow blowing here, is because if you happen to do a search on the web for Insta360, one of the first things that comes up is file corrupted. Hey, I tried this recently on a little project, and all of my footage was corrupted, and I'm not alone. And I just went to start videoing about 15 minutes ago, and on a 64 gig card, it said my card is full. And I'm pretty religious about clearing the card when I'm done a session. So I checked, and nope, there was only 1 gig of data on the card. And so I had to format it. You know what? Love technology. Love innovative technology. Love it more when it works. And so clearly, Insta360 remains at the bleeding edge, at least for now. And one person on Reddit was saying for footage that I'm only going to have an opportunity to capture once. I've done up a little mount so that I can mount a GoPro beside the Insta360. Well, we'll see how it comes out. I'm sure the folks at Insta360 will sort it out. But in the meantime, let's see if we can capture some unique angles of a little snow blowing here this afternoon. We've got snow to move, might as well capture it. Okay, what we're doing here, that stick is wobbling a lot. When I change direction, I'm going to shorten it up, and so I'm going to shorten it at the top. So we end with up with a more robust stick down lower. We'll see if that cures some of it. We'll see how it changes the angle and perspective of things. We'll try that. I think I've got oh, maybe 10 feet of height from ground level on there. Let's do it. Well, there we go. It's back to home base, and man, I just love how this little Frontier Snowblower 1154, 54 inches wide, works. Moves a whack of snow, keeps me from having to deck and maintain a snow pile out here. We're ready. Bring it on. More to come.